Okay, you can open now.
Yay! Ata! Ata, ini. Oh, it's for you. Yay! Yay! Ata, can you open this? Put on the floor right now and hop it. Yes! Yes! Ata, see my one. Look, it's today. We're buying this vacuum. Help me. Oh, what are you doing? I will help you. Over here, Ata. I know what help. Can you do this, sister?
Come, I have.
Wow! Yes, that's mine vacuum. Wow! Yeah! Yes! Yes! I'm so excited! Yay! Oh, you big vacuum. Yes, this is my mother too. It vacuum outside close, dirty.
Okay. Let's go. What does it say, please?
Vacuum floor. Hello, vacuum. I do like her favorite filter. Hello, vacuum for you. Okay. Wow! It's so pretty nice. With a white piece first. Okay, now my. Ata, look, this is vacuum. This are the vacuum. This is here is all. Lemon vacuum. Lemon vacuum. This one only. We can vacuum it. Yeah. Whoa. Yay. Thank you, Daddy. Ata, you little one. What's this? Is it? Yes! Yes! Good news, Ata! Good news! See! See! Wow! The vacuum. Daddy, look at the vacuum. And this is mine. It's a pipe with my vacuum. Oh, Daddy, look at the. And this is the head. And this is wheel. Oh, yeah. Ata, look. Somebody help me. There's vacuum in. Ata, I'm not the good news. This is my vacuum. Help, help. Help take a vacuum. Ata, move. Let Daddy take my vacuum outside. Okay, turn it upside down. Okay. Like this. We need a wheel from that. Daddy. Wheel, we need to put it down. Down there. We need the wheel. Where's the wheel go? There. I need this way. Open. I want the wheel for my rescue. Thank you.
Come, bring it.
Do you like borrow my rescue, Mata? Yeah. I can rescue. Okay. Use my rescue for wheel. It's hold up. Nothing. Just 8 the console. What you want? 8 wheels? Yeah, there is wheels. Swiss wheels. See? Oh. Let's bring this up. Wheels? Wheels twice. Maybe 8 wheels. 8 wheels. Now, can you push this more? I'll push that on. Okay. What's to? I want to do this. Oh, maybe here. Push really hard. Yeah. I did it. You not did it. It's still tight. Still tight. I did it. You push it like me. Both hands. All hands. Okay. Yes, we did it. Yeah, we did it. Other one. Oh, it is impossible. Other, this one. Yeah. Yes, we did it. Oh, my father wanted my lion. No need this. You just use our mind rescue. Push, Atta, push this one. Push lah, Mamu.
Okay.
Yes.
Done.
Okay, it's done.
Go that side.
Look at this. Atta. Oh, this one from in the back. Okay. We put it. Okay. Mamu, this one for here. We need to do.
Is it like this?
No, not throw up. No.
It's
Okay. Oh, cool. Not up. At the top. So must be down. So down.
see.
Baby, are you going down? Let's go to construction. Mama, baby went down.
Yeah.
Oh.
What about this part? This one?
I know what how I do. Oops. Mamu, look, this one from down. That's why he like vacuum water. How we want to do? We just need to design our vacuum fan. Yes. Anak melus. Marshmallow. Okay, Atta. See how I put when I press. Atta, come! I want to show you where it's a button. This button. This is the filter. And let's take out this.
Okay, do you want to on?
So loud.
Okay, let's try.
No.
Let's cut this.
Uh-oh. No, it's not broken. They are great. Really great. I don't want to turn this on. It's not fair. It's not. No, with this vacuum will. No.
Push your vacuum that side. Yeah.
Or maybe take out this. Don't on. I was taking roll up. Hello. Wait, Atta. We wanted that blowing. Okay, Atta. Then far. Then by to blow. I like to blow. No, from up will Atta, what's right? We will kick out. See, Atta, see Atta with up will kick out you. Atta,
Okay.
this vacuum will kick out you. Your house will blow. What's that?
Blow there.
Okay, blow there.
Okay.
Can you on?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's blow. Wow. Good.
Do you like this vacuum? This vacuum will kick out the dust.
Okay. Is it powerful?
Yeah. Or what about Atta? Something
Okay.
else we need. Tissue. Now I can play. Okay. Okay. And that hole. You put on the mess here, Atta. Put some tissue. Okay? I don't be like that. turn around and put it here. Yes. What happened? Okay. Try it again. Uh-oh. Something is no. No need that. Okay.
Okay. Now vacuum here. You want to do all this?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
don't vacuum Mickey Mouse. This one don't have fun vacuum. I know what. This one. We need the bag. Mama, I told you we need the bag.
Have inside have.
Oh, a bag can vacuum. Maybe turn on vacuum my bag. Really like going vacuum now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And I vacuum. I need all these things. How what does I want to put this in?
Turn.
What?
Yes.
Yes. Minecraft lessons. Put it here. And this one here. And after that, let's just do this. Or maybe Mama, what see can this one set out? Okay, turn around. You are. I was holding. I was vacuuming. Okay, I know what. We want to use this. What is this?
This one.
No. What is this? I will show you
This.
something. This one?
Okay, open your plastic bag also. See what else you have.
What is this after?
It's a nozzle.
No, Selasuka. Okay, I know what.
Okay, bring all your bags, filters, everything.
Look at clock.
Oh.
My one is not here. Go see my one. Okay. nozzle. Okay. Mamo, can you test out this one? I want to press that black button. That black button from over there. Okay. Wd5 for cleaning.
Oh, what's the name? The model name?
Wd5.
Oh, WD5.
After, let people see the model.
Okay.
Okay. And you hear the sound. Powerful. It's WD5.
Yeah. What is this?
No, not this. Thank you for watching my video.